In this video, I'm going to show you how to use NotebookLM to improve a sales letter that you have. This is a personal workflow, so it's not the only way to do this, it's the way that I do it. In NotebookLM, you want to start with an authoritative source. My choice is Dan Kennedy's Ultimate Sales Letter. You can choose the authoritative source that you want. The product I sell is a content product that people can use to train their audience or their customers. And it's a set of 20 over-the-shoulder videos. So the products, which are not get rich quick tomorrow products, need to maximize the copy whenever possible. I started by printing off a PDF copy of my sales letter, and I'm looking for at least one improvement. So I will ask a question in each studio asset, and I will ask a question of the AI in each of the studio assets. So I want the AI to look at Dan Kennedy's ultimate sales letter and then against my sales letter to determine what I may be able to offer this time around depending on time. If I have time, I will watch a video or listen to the audio. I almost certainly have time to go through the slide deck and to digest what it has to say. And this is what NotebookLM does extremely well. How does X, in this case my sales letter, meet up with Y, which is the standard? And the standard is my authoritative choice that I choose. I don't want my sales letter compared against the entire internet or to use Gemini's brain. I only want Dan Kennedy's brain as expressed in a book that I find authoritative. I want the AI then to prioritize and categorize changes that are needed to this sales letter to make it irresistible according to Ultimate Sales Letter. I'm going to do that inside of the data table and click Generate. And the data table will then make suggestions. Do I have to make these changes? No, but I do have a priority list that the AI sees according to Dan Kennedy's guide. So this process works when you have an X and you want to know how it measures up against a standard, which is Y, and the Y is the authoritative standard. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.